Welcome to ePlatform. In this quick video, you'll see how you can use the Settings wizard to customize how your ebook displays, enabling each student to personalize their settings to best fit their needs, empowering every reader. The first few times you start reading an ebook, the Settings wizard will launch automatically. This tool gives every patron a chance to customize their reading experience to suit their preferences. In just 4 easy steps, you can tailor your ebook to meet your needs. Try a few different combinations. You can reset the wizard anytime by clicking Reset Default. Once saved, your settings will apply automatically to every ebook until you choose to change them. We encourage all patrons to try it, as it will assist those perhaps not officially diagnosed with any reading challenges, but who might find reading difficult or frustrating. This feature was research-driven with learning support students and reverse-engineered to ensure these options genuinely make a difference. Alternatively, you'll see other settings in the top left under the A icon. Click it to launch the ebook settings. First, choose a background color that's comfortable for your eyes. A colored background can make text easier to read, especially for students with dyslexia, visual stress, or many other reading challenges. Next, click through to find a font style that suits you. Some fonts are designed to be clearer for dyslexia or learning support. Choose what feels best for you. The first option in the Settings wizard is the Open Dyslexic font. Then adjust your text size. Make the words bigger or smaller to suit your reading preference and ability, so you don't have to strain your eyes. Finally, set your line and word spacing. Extra space between lines or words can make text easier to follow and help you keep your place on the page. Less text per page can really help with focus for struggling readers, as it can be overwhelming. Other setting options are single page or 2-page view, night reading mode, text brightness or contrast, and further color and spacing options. You can tweak to configure the display how you like. And if you want to change the settings, simply click Reset Default to start over. Once you have selected your personal settings, they remain in place automatically for every subsequent book, unless you change them. And that's it! Once you're happy with your settings, just close the window and your custom style will be saved and launch automatically every time you read. Just set and forget. Use the settings and the Settings wizard to make every ebook your ebook.